Welcome to Star Technology 5G. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to set up the Cisco switch. We will cover the following topics. What is user mode? What is privileged mode? How to change host names. How to set up banners. How to set up a password. How to encrypt your password. Let's start the video. Open the Cisco packet tracer. Open the file we saved before. In the last video, we connected a Cisco network switch and laptop with a console cable. Today, we will start the configuration. Open laptop. Click on desktop. Here are all the desktop applications. Now click on terminal. Terminal configuration. Port configuration. Bits per second. 9600. Data bits. 8. Parity. None. Stop bits. 1. Flow control. None. OK. Press enter. Switch. The switch is connected to the laptop via a console cable. Switch and arrow. This is user exec mode. This mode has limited access to basic monitoring commands. If we press question marks and press enter, it will show some basic commands that we can use in this mode. Like enable. Turn on privileged commands. Logout. Exit from the exec. Telnet. Open a Telnet connection. Now enter EN. And press the tab button. It will complete the missing spelling. Press enter. Switch and hashtag sign. This is privileged exec mode. This mode provides access to all other router commands. If we press question mark, it will show some commands that we can use in this mode. Like clock. Configure. Disconnect. Ping. Press enter. Press enter. Press CONF and press tab. Configure. What is next? Press question marks. It will show you the next command. And next is the terminal. Write TER and press tab. Configure terminal. Press enter. Now mode is changed. This mode is called global configuration mode. In this mode, we can configure the switch that affects the entire system. Now again press question mark. It will show the complete command list that we can use in this mode. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. In this mode, we can change the banner. We can also change the host name. We can change its interface setting. Write host and press tab. Host name. Now here, you can assign a name to the switch. Like SW1. And press enter. You can see the host name has changed from switch to SW1. Now we can change its banner. BANN. And press tab. Banner. What is a banner? A banner is a very cool feature that shows a message when someone accesses the switch. For example, question mark. MOTD. Set the message of the day banner. MOTD question mark. MOTD line. And inverted comma. Enter your message between this inverted comma. Please contact your network administrator. Now, if someone accesses the switch, it will show this message. Please contact your network administrator. Press enter. Next, we will set up a password on this switch. There are 5 passwords used to secure your Cisco switch. Console. Auxiliary. Telnet, VTY. Enable password. And enable secret. The first 3 are used to configure a password when user mode is accessed through the console port, through the auxiliary port, or via Telnet. and the enable secret and enable password are used to set the password that's used to secure privileged mode. This will prompt a user for a password when the enable command is used. For example, for enable password, enter en tab enable password. Here you can write your password, like Cisco 123. Enter. Now we will write enable secret password, en tab sec tab secret password is Cisco 123. Enter. If you try to set the enable secret and enable passwords the same, the router will give you a nice, polite warning to change the second password. Now we will change the secret password, Cisco 456. Enter. Now we will set the console line password. Write line console 0. Now we are in line console configuration. Write password, Cisco 789. Enter. Exec tab, exec timeout, question mark. We can set time 0 to 35,791 minutes. But I will set 15 minutes. Enter. Now, after 15 minutes, it will log out. Write exit. Enter. It will log out from line mode. Now we will encrypt our password. By default, only the secret password is encrypted. We'll need to manually configure the user mode and enable passwords for encryption. Service password encryption. Press enter. Now passwords are encrypted. Now we will check our entire configuration. Write exit. And exit again. Press enter. Enable. Now switch is asking password. Enter your password. If you enter wrong password it will not accept. Cisco 123. Configure terminal. No. Exit. Show run. Tab. Show running config. Enter. 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 Now switch is showing its running configuration. Service password is encrypted. Here is the host name. Enable secret is encrypted. Enable password is encrypted. When passwords are encrypted we cannot see the password. It will show as encrypted password like this code. Press enter. These are switch port. Here is line console 0 password. And its exec timeout. All configuration is good. If you face any problem, let me know in comments section. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.